Hey everyone, welcome back to Tail Steak. Today we're unboxing something pretty unique. This is the MHW-3BOMBER sound feedback tamper. Let's get it out of the box and see exactly what you get. I have two samples here, one for 51 millimeter, other one is for 58.35 millimeter. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox both of them. It also comes in 53.35 millimeter, which I do not have it at this time. Out of the box, we get a tamper, an instructions booklet, and a small certification paper. Instructions are fairly simple. Tells you how to maintain, operate the tamper. So I highly recommend you guys to read it. And here's the 58.35 millimeter tamper. Size is clearly showing here. MHW-3BOMBER logo. Constant pressure of 30 pounds. Flash coffee tamper. And this tamper has a ripple base. Titanium coated. It's not adjustable to other pressures, so it comes in constant 30-pound pressure. Go ahead and open the 51 millimeter version. All three sizes are identical. Ripple base is obviously smaller in this one. It also comes in different smaller sizes in stainless steel version, but I want to focus on the 51, 53.35, and 58.35 millimeter sizes today. They're all titanium coated, completely metal body, very solid construction with walnut handle or palm tip. This one also comes with all these instructions and everything. Contrast on this thing is beautiful. The rich walnut handle looks incredible against the matte black metal body. This is a 3 spring-loaded calibrated tamper set to apply exactly 30 pounds of pressure. The build feel is premium, and looking at the bottom, you can see that distinct ripple base design with that durable titanium coating. Again, they make these in three sizes: 51 millimeter, 53.35 millimeter, and 58.35 millimeter to fit almost any machine. But the real party trick here is the sound feedback mechanism. When you push all the way down, it gives you that distinct click. So you know you hit 30 pounds. In my opinion, the wood grain looks fantastic. Ergonomics are great, and that click is incredibly satisfying. So if you want to grab one, check out the purchase links in the description. If you like this and haven't joined yet, consider subscribing and sharing with this other coffee enthusiast to support our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a delicious day.